everyone to MKS Atotech groundbreaking ceremony today.
It's with great pride and excitement that we gather here today to celebrate the groundbreaking for MKS's Atotech new chemical manufacturing plant and TechCenter. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of our distinguished guests. There's many here today, including many of our domestic and foreign customers. Thank you for coming.
Really shows a commitment, as Jim said, to the growing business in Southeast Asia, especially Thailand, to establish this cutting-edge, state-of-the-art facility, manufacturing facility, and tech center.
MKS Academy empowers businesses to build a highly skilled workforce, optimize efficiency, and foster long-term expertise development. We look forward sharing more details about this offering with you in the coming weeks. A promotional flyer about the Academy will be included in your gift bag after the event. By that, I would like to say, Khap Kun Khap, and thanks for everybody for your attention. Thank you.
Thank you very much.